So, I've been, what are we gonna do? I don't know.
What do you mean?
A fidget video!
Where did you come from? I didn't even know that.
Popping my poppet.
I didn't even know that we were. Okay, what are we doing today?
A fidget toy video.
Oh, so we're gonna show y'all 10 fidgets that we have and show y'all them. This is the
first one. So if you can try and time me. My first score
No, give it to me.
before we did it was 10 seconds.
Ready?
Set.
All the viewers, time this if you all want to.
And then you are going to time me after him. And that's the easy side. Joey are both going to do the easy side.
Come on.
And the other side is the hard side. Go.
I am going.
Well, that's a good idea.
Okay, now Kane's turn.
Let me pop it to the easy side.
No, you're going.
No, I need to pop it to the easy side.
Oh.
Because you did the easy side.
By the
That's
way,
not fair if I get
make sure to subscribe and click the bell so y'all
Ready,
can get
set,
notifications.
tiny.
Done. Okay.
You popped
In
it.
the comments down below,
How fast we did those.
no. Comment down below who won or who do you think won. If
Or-
we don't have a timer.
Yeah. If you have like an iPad or like
Okay.
a phone, you can
Go to the fidget bin and close your eyes and pick another fidget, okay?
Okay, I'll throw this one in and then I'll mix it.
Remember to smash that thumbs up button.
There you go. Got it.
Bring it.
This is one of the funnest ones. And in jet suit.
They're very squishy. That's why
And
they're
they can
fidget.
stretch.
And
And they're very squishy. And
show them how his mouth opens too.
And that goes like that. There's horns inside of him.
Here, let
Wait,
me
guys,
grab.
let me open his mouth without touching it. I can So what you do is you press that horn back there, and then it opens with nobody seeing.
Can I? Here, let me hold one side and pull. Okay, next toy.
Okay, let me go get another one. I can kind of feel what it does.
We're on round 3. And make sure to watch this video all the way to the end so you can guess which fidget you like the most.
Yeah. I'm gonna get the other kind of squishies.
And if you want to see more people doing fidget videos, it's in the link down below. I'll link all of the videos that has fidgets in it and they show people about it. So yeah.
There's also a cord in this fidget bin.
So the question of today is, what is your favorite Thanksgiving food and why do you like it?
Got it.
What is it?
It's a squishy
Can I
bear.
show them it?
Rainbow.
Can I show them it?
Squishy.
It's a rainbow panda. And it has Orbeez in it.
You can get this
You can
on
get this on Amazon or
Walmart.
maybe Walmart.com.
Maybe Walmart.com.
So
Maybe Walmart.com.
yeah. Keenan, throw it onto the table and see if it bounces.
That does not bounce.
But it'd still be cool to throw it at walls and maybe stick.
Yeah. Wait, let me go.
Seven,
try.
come here.
Let me
Come
go
see
try.
the viewers.
Seven. Let me see the viewers. Let me see the viewers. Oh.
Hey,
Oh, can you see him? He's right here. He's
there's
right
seven.
He's right there. Oh. he just jumped. He just jumped up on the table.
Okay, next round.
Okay, next round.
Round 4.
That's fast.
What is it? Can't.
What?
What is this?
It's a ball fidget spinner.
Yeah. Can I
See,
have it?
Spins?
And watch. Let me show them something. Ah.
It rolled huge.
Ah.
I mean,
Wait. Can I show them something?
that sometimes works.
Here, can I have it? I want to show them something. Ready? It's gonna come to you. Ah.
It's gonna come to you. Bum-ba-dum. Bum-ba-dum.
Okay. Round 5.
Yay, 5. Bum-ba-dum. I like to get top.
And also, comment down below if you're going somewhere for Thanksgiving, if you're not, and if you are going somewhere, tell us where you are going because
It needs to
It's
be
cool
a
to
surprise. Here it is. It's a squishy. Wait, what is this?
it's a squishy face.
It's a squishy. Like, is it a peach?
No?
I'm gonna smush it. Smush! It's a squishy. Smush, smush, smush. It slowly rises.
That's cool.
Let me get. Is there any other ones in here?
7. Hey, buddy. Oh, 7 waved goodbye with his tail.
I'm gonna see them. I'm gonna let them see the other jet suits we have. Here they are. I'm not gonna show you the one that I showed you on the Jetsu one, but here they are. Here's this one. He squirts. He does.
This is round 6.
Those are blue, and this one has.
Round 6 is we're just showing you all the good Gujitsus.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
That's what Kanan was for Halloween.
Got webs inside of him. And last but not least, Black Panther. He has just purple goo inside of him. So that's it.
Oh!
Wait, let me go get some other stuff.
Round 7. Pick something with your eyes closed.
Wait, let me take this squishy back.
Kanan, come here. I'm gonna whisper something in your ear.
Okay. What kind?
Just any ones.
This one?
Kanan, just bring it over here.
I'm just gonna get one.
Oh yeah, by the way, this is round 7.
New clothes. This is a cube.
Can I show
And then,
them?
wait, it goes like that. And then you keep doing it over and over again.
If you're really bored.
If you're really bored, you can just go like, oh, I want a fidget cube. And then just keep doing this. And it gets funner and funner as you do it.
It's perfect for recess at school if you're tired or something. Kanan, can I have it?
I always get bored at recess sometimes. And some
Kanan, can I
people-
show them something? Ready? I'm gonna turn it into
I can turn it into a
chair. What are you gonna turn it into?
A chair. Here's the chair.
Round 8.
Let me turn it back into a cube. And everybody
Kanan,
will know.
can you get the other fidget cubes that we have?
Okay, I'll show them the other kind. Throw that in there. It's dark. Maybe flashlight.
On the final round, stay tuned for the final round because we're going to show you all of the puppets we have.
Yeah. I gotta show them a stretchy. Can I show them one of them?
Yeah,
Let me get it.
that'll be round 8, and then after that we'll do round 9, which is the other fidget cubes. Okay?
No. No, 7. Here's the llama.
No, hand me it.
It has a
Can I
really
show it?
round body, and it has no eyes. His eyes.
Here, can I have it a
And it
second?
stretches out of the.
Kenan, can I have a second?
Ah!
So, I'm going to stretch really far. And see this part? There's like a hole right there, and I think you can put its foot through, and then it's a bracelet. So, Kanan, this is not a guitar video.
Okay. Oops.
Okay, we're ready for round. We're ready for round 9.
Stretch away. It stretched away.
Kanan, round 5.
Let me look for it. No, it's round 9.
Fine. Round 9. 7. 7. Come here. Say hi.
I can't find it. Oh, here's one of them.
Come bring it. We need to hurry and finish this video.
Here it is. So what you can do is
Wait,
you
can I do it,
spin
please?
this one.
Can I do it, please?
Wait, let me show them what you can do. You can spin this one. You can
Kanan, they
Do
can't
that
see.
one.
They can't see.
you can spin that one. You can keep doing that light over and over, or you could spin these, or you can keep pressing the ball or roll it, or you can move this around like a game controller, or you can press these buttons,
Can I have it?
or you can see if your thumb's big enough.
Here, let me have it.
Right here. Here.
While you're getting all the puppets, I'm just gonna play with this while talking to them.
Let me get the puppets.
So, I like this because you can fit it in your pocket, and oh, hi Zimmer, and you can do this for hours and hours and hours, and move this ball around, and just do this for hours and hours, and I like to just run my hand on top of the buttons, and yeah. And this joystick is really cool because it's like a controller.
I got all the puppets.
Okay.
I'm going to show them one by one. As y'all can see, I already got
Kanan,
the
just hand it to me and we'll show them.
such.
The circle puppet.
That's a rainbow. Pop, pop, pop. Puppets. And then we have, obviously, the square puppet that we already showed you. And we raced. And then we have a tick. And then we have, this one, the paint can come off.
That one wasn't really good.
The paint comes off. On this side it really doesn't.
Okay, put it on top of these puppets. Can put it on top of these puppets.
Yeah,
We can't pop it. We have to finish the video, buddy.
Yeah. There's that one. Yeah. This one?
Among Us.
Among Us.
Put it on top.
And then we have this 3-1.
It's a pineapple.
And Colton got this one. At the
Can go to the next one.
We got some other ones. Mom, where's that rainbow rain puppet? Baby Yoda.
Oh. Want me to get it?
Yeah.
Oh, this is getting heavy.
Let me pop it to the easy side.
Put it on top.
Another Baby Yoda.
Oh no.
Obviously.
Hurry, I'm about to drop this.
Another Baby Yoda. There's
Ah!
gonna be another one, you know. I'll hold
So
these.
thank you for watching.
No, there's gonna be another one. Mom's going to.
Kaden,
Mom's
this
going.
video is almost 20 minutes long.
Oh no.
Kaden, we'll do it next time, okay? So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. And remember that.
You are incredible.
Bye, guys.
Wait. Here's another puppet. The rain will give us
And
away.
thank you for watching. Bye.